Hi Elixters, let's proceed with step 11, shall we? Since our cat images are too big, let's make them behave. So we gotta create a gallery image class selector to target them. Let's give all of them a width of 100% and a max width of 350 pixels. Also, let's set its height to 300 pixels to maintain uniform size of all our images. Step 12. From our body element, we gotta get rid of the margin, set the font family to sans serif, and give it a background color of white, I guess. Step 13. Let's fix our header element. Firstly, we need to center the text and make it all caps using text transform property with uppercase as the value. Now, we need to give it a padding of 32 pixels on all sides. Set the background to given hash code, and the text to white. Then we need to add a border bottom with the values set to 4 pixels solid and the given hash code. Step 14. Okay, finally it's the time we use Flexbox in our code. What is Flexbox, you ask? Flexbox is one-dimensional CSS layout that can control the way items are spaced out and aligned within a container. If we want our gallery class selector to act like a flex container, we need to give it an element called display and set its value as flex. Any direct children of our gallery or flex container are called flex items. Step 15. Now let's set the flex direction property to row in the gallery element. Step 16. Now we gotta use flex wrap property, which determines how our flex items behave when the flex container is too small. We gotta set it to the value wrap to make our flex items wrap to the next row when they run out of space. Step 17. Let's use justify content property to center the flex items. Step 18. Since we used flex direction and set it to row, our cross-axis would be vertical. To vertically center our images, let's give our gallery selector an align items property with center as the value. Step 19. It's the time to give our gallery class selector a padding property set to 20 pixels and 10 pixels to create some space around the container. Then give it a max width of 1400 pixels and add a margin of 0 and auto to center it. Step 20. They say our images have become distorted, so I'll just agree with them. Let's make our images behave by using object_fit property and set its value to cover. This will tell the image to fill the image container while maintaining aspect ratio, resulting in cropping to fit. Alright, that was all for today, folks. Hope you like, share, comment on my videos. Do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any updates. Stay tuned for further steps and chapters. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.